Hey.
What's up?
Hey. Come here.
What is
Look,
it?
come here. Look. Careful. Hurry up. Move the laptop.
What is that?
Move the laptop. Move the laptop.
You have water in there? Bring it over here. Not the
Look, take
laptop.
the towel.
What?
Just set it. I'm about to spill it.
What is
Come on,
that?
set it. Look. It is
What are you doing?
2 glasses filled with water.
It's filled up all the way.
Yep. And there's $100 inside. And you have a chance to win $100.
Wow. What are you...
All you have to do is figure out how to get the $100 bill out without making any more than like a handful of water come out. Like basically a little bit of water must come out. If you figure out how to get the $100 out with only a little bit of water coming out.
I can only think of one solution, but I really don't want to do it because the $100 bill is probably really dirty because it gets passed around to so many people. Oh.
Wait. No. You gotta drink it.
That's the only way I can get it out. You said I only could drop a little bit, right?
Yeah, a little bit. Very little bit. Very little. Basically, if a lot comes out, then you lose. If you spill a lot of water, you lose. Here. You give up? I'll show you. You give up, you...
I don't see any other way to do it. He said I can't drop any water. It's filled to the brim.
Yes. If you think it's impossible...
Yeah, besides drinking it, I mean, the only thing I could do, I mean, you said I can't spill any of it, right? So
barely,
I guess
you spill a little bit, but not a lot.
I guess I'm just gonna go out on a shopping spree, and they say, okay, your total is $100. I'm just gonna hand them this, and I'll be like, this is your problem now, not mine.
I'll show you.
Okay,
Here,
show me.
let me sit over there. Here,
Okay.
I'll show you. All right.
Oh my god.
It's impossible. You lose $100.
Yeah, you can't.
Look.
What is that?
Key card.
You didn't tell me we could use anything.
It was on the table. You didn't grab it. Okay. Watch. So you find the spot where it's very flat. In this case, it's there. So
Where?
look, all you gotta do, press down. So a little bit's gonna come out.
What?
As I wedge this in, like this. See that?
Okay.
Like that. Now I'm pressing down so it doesn't come out. Now you have to make sure they're all centered. Otherwise, see that? See me grabbing it right there? Look, it's touching it a little bit.
Are you...
Look.
I can't...
See that?
What are you doing?
See it?
Oh
See? Just pull.
my god!
And that's how you could have won
What?
$100, but now you owe me
I didn't even know!
$100.